welcome to Monster Art TV.
大家好，欢迎来到我们的怪兽艺术课堂。
Julia, what is the funniest part about Christmas?
我喜欢装扮圣诞树。
Julia go crazy about the Christmas tree. And today we're going to make one very, very beautiful and very easy to do.
圣诞树。
How are we gonna make it?
我们会拿卡纸还有彩泥，再用彩泥做出这个圣诞树的模样，然后呢再装饰一下，上面再放一些礼物盒，就大功告成了。
Are you ready for this?
Yes, let's go.
Now for this project we're going to use
皮泥。圣诞树啊，特别是需要用这个绿色皮泥。
your favorite, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna start making the base of the tree. So we're gonna work from the top to the bottom, yeah? And we're gonna make the base here, and then we go up, then we turn it around.
Okay.
Base of the tree is gonna be balls, yeah? We're gonna make one.
How many balls we need?
We need 6. 6 or 4? Let me think. I think we need 6 balls.
This can be.
No, bigger. Look at the size of the ball. Like that. Let me see. Put your hand like this. You see how big? Like 2 fingers.
Right now.
Yeah. Then we're gonna make a very smooth ball. One next to the other.
Huh?
Now we're gonna do this. Look. Squeeze down. Squeeze. 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 Oh, that's beautiful. See? Now here looks like a little spoon.
Yeah.
Next, we go with the next ring. For you.
I think.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, we need to make little.
A little?
Little, super little. Then I start.
Yeah. 1, 2. And we squeeze down.
Like this.
Squeeze. 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 Very good.
But Daddy, this space is too big.
It's okay. Now with an even lighter ring. We squeeze, and we squeeze, and we squeeze. Wow, so beautiful.
Wow, love it.
Now for the top. No, we're not done yet because now we have to put 2 more and the star. Now for the top,
I think we
I
can
think
do.
we can use one
No, I think we can use this.
yellow one.
Yeah. 大家记住哦，假如我们做像我们这种圣诞树的时候，你们得做的五彩缤纷哦，不要只有一个颜色，绿色，因为如果颜色多的话，那么这个圣诞树就更漂亮。
And we squeeze, and we squeeze.
I don't have place to put star.
Yes,
Yeah.
there's a space for the star.
It's too little.
So what color we make a star?
Yellow.
I think we can make a star. I have an idea. How about we make a star in red?
哦，红色降临。等个几秒，嘿嘿，嘿嘿，棕色降临了。
Okay, now this is how we're gonna do it. We make a stick. This is like a capybara color. And we make it very soft. Yeah. We make a stick. And we put it under the tree here.
I don't know how to do red star.
It's very easy. Let me show you.
Teach me.
We're gonna make a triangle first. Yeah? Then, to this triangle, we take out some arms.
How like this?
And we place a star at the top.
My star.
Yeah, like
Help me a little
that.
bit.
That's beautiful.
Help me a little bit. say.
The ornaments, different colors. Yeah.
Okay.
We have red. Yeah. So we're gonna make.
Where's my red?
Stick it red. Put it here. And we can put one red here. Now, we're gonna do snowflakes in different colors. For example, blue, pink. We put them all around in different places, yeah? And I think this is pretty much done. I have an idea. Look, here outside we can put some white. You know why?
Why?
Because when the snow falls from the sky, it's white, and then when it gets into the circle, it becomes magic snow. Very quick. You can do this. Look. What are these?
Oh! Gift!
You want yellow?
Inside put this messenger knife.
Messenger don't have a knife.
Oh, this is the
You see?
this is the monster of the messenger movie. Hey, I see it. Oh, I forgot.
These are the ribbons.
I know the ribbons. My ribbon's like this. Look, his ribbon. Look, Daddy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
You want to show the tree?
你看 ，Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Our trees.
看吧，这就是我们的圣诞树。你看，下面就是一些礼物盒，还有呢，这个是一个卡纸，再加一些彩泥做的，非常简单。快拿起你们的皮泥和卡纸来动手做一做吧，我都迫不及待想看你们的作品啦。
Very easy to do, very simple and colorful, right?
对，记得把这个圣诞树填得五彩缤纷哦。
I hope you like our trees.
我希望你们会喜欢这个视频，那我们下次再见吧，拜
See
拜
you。next time. Bye bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.